What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I might look a little crazy, but I'm sure as you can see by the title, I got the new Gemini palette and I wanted to try out all of the colors. So I did 2 different looks and I don't have time to take it off and redo it because the baby's gonna wake up soon. So I did 2 different looks on my eyes, and I actually used all the colors except for Bonnie. I'm not doing any finger swatches because I've seen them on Instagram and they do not look good. So yeah, we'll get right into the video. It's not really a tutorial, but into the video. Okay, so I have mostly everything done except for my eyeshadow. I haven't even opened my box yet. I didn't want to be tempted to look at it. The way I want to do this is not necessarily a tutorial because I don't want it to take forever or be boring. I'll just show you which color I'm going to use and where I'll put it, and then I'll do it off camera and come back. And I kind of want to do like, hold on, let me open it. Cute. Here's like the outer box. All these pictures of her, so freaking adorable. Pictures on the back. Who else gets like anxious opening these and praying to the makeup gods that everything came alright? Ooh-wee. There's the packaging. Roses on the back too. Phew. There are all the colors. Yeah, I kind of want to do like one of my eyes like these colors, and then one of my eyes these colors besides black. I never use black. I just want to show you how each of them work with the brush and everything instead of swatches because they don't look that great online. So I was pretty scared when I got this. And then I also got 2 eyeliners. I got it in Baked and Bloodshot. The Bloodshot one I kind of got for when I do like red toned looks. They say this is eye safe. Ooh, they're super creamy. There's the red. And then Baked is like kind of like a sandy brown color. It kind of looks mustardy. Ooh, there's Baked. So I got those 2 eyeliner wise. We'll start with those. Is anyone else getting like Kat Von D vibes from this? Like old school Kat Von D? I don't know. So I think first I'm going to go in my crease, kind of like a super blown out transition with Luna here. I do want to show that I just tapped my brush in there a few times and there is fallout like that. I know some people care about that. I honestly don't because I keep my palettes really clean. I blow them off after every time. I don't like having a dirty palette, so there's Luna blown out up here in my crease and above and slightly below. I'll probably go in a little more and blow it out on the bottom some. But the next color I want to take is Lorelei? I'm not sure how to say her name. Sorry, girl. But I'm going to take that one and put it in my crease as well, just not as high. There's Lorelei. I'm sorry. I'm the worst. There it is in the crease, and I put it under my lash line here. I just kind of kept it tighter. You know what I mean? Just like that. So next, with a smaller blending brush, I'm going to go through with, we'll do polka dot. Like I said, these are going to be really like simple, basic looks, I guess, just to see how they're performing, which so far I freaking love. It's blending like butter. I love it. So there's polka dot. It looks kind of streaky or patchy on there on the camera, but I mean, I blended it pretty well. Taking the brush that I've been using and just going in over it. Like that area right there looks a little, I don't know if patchy is the word, but I guess kind of patchy. Took this flatter angle brush like that. I take that in and kind of just get really close to the waterline like that. So far I am loving these colors. It's making my freaking blue eyes pop. I'm going to take Gemini, put that on my lid, and then I'll go through with Cupcake and kind of darken the outer V area. So I went through Gemini just on my finger and patted on. I did get a whole bunch of fallout. I think I got most of it off. I don't know if you can see it. And then, like I said, I just went through and put Cupcake just here a little to darken it up. While I did that, it took some of the Gemini off. So I just want to pat a little more on. I did lose my glitter glue, which I usually put on, otherwise it goes up onto my crease area. But yeah, I think that's it for this side. I'll put an inner highlight later when I put my actual highlight on, but I'm digging that. Okay, I think I decided I'm going to do a blown out transition with this Luna shade again. And then I'll go through with like the second transition, I guess, that I use with Mochi here. Yeah, I think that'll be good. So there's Luna and Mochi blown out. I think next we'll do Fire OG. Let's do a little Fire OG, just tighter in the crease. And I'll be back. So there's Fire OG. Like I said, deeper in my crease and tighter in my lower lash line. I've noticed, hey man, there's fallout again. I have noticed that, or with the Fire OG, I noticed that that one is very pigmented. I think the swatches are not that great of that, like I said. That's why I didn't want to swatch them on here. But doing it on my lid or my crease, whatever, I put it on there and I was like, oh, phew. Like I put way too much at first and I had to super blend it in. But I'm loving the way this eye is looking too. I think I'm gonna put goals. Come on. I'm gonna put that on my lid and then do Leo to darken up the outer corner. I can't remember if I already said, but when I added these shimmery ones on my lid, I did not wet them. So this is how they look, just put it on, you know? And this one, Goals, did not go on as well as Gemini. Gemini went on super easy. I've had to go on a few times with Goals to kind of get it to be on there. But I also don't have like a glitter glue, which I normally use with any of these. And I did put the Leo to darken up this area here and slightly under my lash line, but it didn't seem to do too much. Darkened it a little, but not a whole lot. I do want to show my last video. I was uncertain about this Kat Von D highlight. So I wanted to show you guys what I do. As you can see, I've been using it. And my baby stuck her frickin' finger in there. I don't know what this brush is for. We got it in our BoxyCharm from Crown. But this is what I have been using. Like I said, it's pretty dense. I've been really going in, like rubbing it. But that is how I've gotten it to work really well. And just super rub it in. Yeah. So I know there's been a lot of bad reviews, but I actually really do love it now. And that's how I've gotten it to go on well. I do want to add that on my inner corner of both looks. And normally for the inner corner I would get it wet, but I don't want to go grab my setting spray. I'm gonna go put mascara on. I'll be back. So there are both eyes with mascara. I didn't want to do a liner just because it takes away from it sometimes, you know. Oh, and then I put this baked liner on the inner, my waterline for both eyes, which I kind of really like it with both, even the green. This one I really love it, and this one I was pleasantly surprised that it looks good. This might be my new favorite palette. I really enjoy it. Like I said, I was super scared for the swatches that I've seen online because these first colors, these mustardy browns, whatever you want to call these look really good in swatches. And then as soon as you go to these ones, they're super patchy. They don't look good at all. And I always forget to not judge by finger swatches because it's not going to look the best, you know? I hope you didn't mind this way of filming. I just didn't want a ridiculously long video. This was a pre-order or a pre-sale, but that they are coming back June, I believe June 2nd, and yeah, it's a limited edition. I don't know if they'll bring it back. So yeah, if you want it, I would go as quick as you can to grab one of them. I think that's all I have to say. If you could, hit the like button down below, subscribe if you will, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!